got your handkerchief hanging under your eyes? It's a real tearjerker, honey. Gracie, there's nothing I look at with more fondness than you and our future together.
I had no idea that the night that I went to the small bonfire in Leeton Moe that I would have met the man of my dream.
We gather here today in the sight of the sovereign God, whom the Bible describes as holy, and in the sight of these assembled witnesses to a ceremony honoring the holy institution of marriage.
For those of you I haven't met yet, my name's David, and I met Dave back in middle school. Even though we liked to rollerblade home from school and bring calf fries in for lunch, we soon became best friends.
Thank you for loving Gracie the way she deserves to be loved. Thank you for opening your home to me 4 days of the week, even though you know Gracie and I don't get any work done.
Love is patient, so I promise to be patient when we are working cows together, or even when I ask you when you're going to be home for dinner and you say it's an hour, and it's usually 2 or 3. Love is kind, so I promise to remind you of that during the times we are sorting cows.
Together, I believe we can create a legacy no one can erase and that our children will be proud of. I'm not naive enough to think it'll be rainbows and roses. I know that we can overcome any frustrations or obstacles if we can set our pride aside and work together.
David and Gracie, my prayer for the two of you today is that you will embrace every opportunity to lift each other up, to encourage each other, respect each other in every situation, and know that it's not always going to be your way. If you do this, you will not only have a blessed marriage, you will have a blessed life together. Are you ready, David, to repeat after me?
You betcha.
All right.
Lastly, love does not boast. So, with this one, it's going to be pretty hard for me because I can't promise you that I won't brag about the wonderful husband and hardworking guy that I have. I love you so much and I cannot wait to start the rest of our life together.
Together we can create monuments, build empires, design dynasties, and leave legends. However, without each other, none of this will be possible or worth doing. It isn't worth doing alone, and it isn't worth doing without the thought of another generation.
Thank you for loving Gracie the way she deserves to be loved. I hope you two continue to conquer this crazy life together and never look back.
I can't wait to see what the future holds for both of you. We love you both so much, and happy that I gained another family member to our crazy bunch.